So this box kind of inspired me to do a holiday eyeshadow look. I'm excited about the brow bar that was in this box. At first I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it because it's just powder, but it worked really, really well on my brows. I did the brown color at first, the darker one, and then I went over top of it with the lighter color. I love the concealer in this. This is by far my favorite. It looks really good, and I noticed it stays in place all day. And at first I wasn't sure about this because it was so thick, this brow brush. It was awesome, like not tons comes out, but just enough to make it look like there's little hair strokes in there. I was impressed by it. Then I took my Saturday Skin, which I already have this, but I like this cream a lot. It's jelly and it's not oily, which is awesome. I hate oil-based lotions because they just break me out instantly, but this is nice and it definitely has like a firming feel. Definitely recommend putting this in the fridge before you use it because then it feels even better. I don't know, I love gel-based lotions. They're my jam. Then this is my first time using Storybook Cosmetics. Never used them before. The palette's really thick, which I don't love because you can't pack it with you, and there's nothing underneath it, so I just don't understand why, like what the deal is. I know it's supposed to look like a book, but I don't know. I just don't like big, bulky palettes. But I'm just going to use this gray and kind of brush it all over my lid. Then I'm going to take this gold. It is crazy pigmented. You guys are going to see the fallout on like my under eye, but the color's beautiful. And I'm just going to pat that all over my lid. And then I'm going to take a little brush, and be careful with this green because I was not ready for it. But a ton is going to come out and you're going to see it kind of fall. I was like, oh my gosh, I did not realize so much was going to come out. So just use a light hand. So I'm basically going to brush it all under my eye, and then I'm going to kind of feather it out to give it a little bit of a wing. And then I'm going to go over top of it again with a pencil brush just because I wanted less fallout. Then I'm going to take the glittery color and I'm going to push that all over top of the green that I just added underneath my eye. I just wanted more of a pop underneath, something a little bit different. And I really love this green. I think green looks so good on brown eyes. And then here I'm just going to push together the gold and the green and kind of come up my eye. And you don't have to do this. I mean, I know this is super bold, but I just wanted something different and I really liked it. So then I'm just taking a fluffier brush and I'm just going to blend it out and really buff away that outer corner just so it kind of transitions pretty smoothly. Then I'm taking the Ciate London blush. I really like this blush. It's really pretty. It's not super pigmented, so I feel like I had to use a lot of it just to be able to see it, and it kind of came off pretty fast, so I wasn't super impressed. And that is my look I created. My camera decided to die, but I used Dose of Colors Nude Mood from the last box. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you soon. If you could, go ahead and hit me with a subscribe. Thanks, guys.